Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for July 11th of 2025 is titled The Veins of Heaven. So what do we see here? Well, here we're looking at a view from planet Earth looking up into the sky, and this picture was taken just yesterday near Stockholm, Sweden. And we're looking at some clouds up in the sky. Now, these are specific clouds known as polar mesospheric clouds. And what does that mean? It means they're very high clouds up in the atmosphere. And this happens when water vapor that is down a little lower gets pushed up into the upper reaches of our atmosphere. And at the colder temperatures there, it then condenses on the dust particles that are present in the upper atmosphere. Those dust particles can come from a variety of things, including meteors. So trails left behind by meteors, a lot of that debris just remains up there in the upper layers of Earth's atmosphere, and then the water vapor condenses on it, forming these clouds. Now, why are they so bright? They're actually still being illuminated by the sun. And these are what we call noctilucent clouds, or night shining clouds. They are bright, being illuminated by the sun, even though the sun has already set from this location. And the reason for this is because while the sun may have set for an observer on the surface of Earth, it has not set for someone up higher in the atmosphere. And someone up higher, such as where these clouds are, can see around the curvature of Earth and therefore still see the sun above the horizon from that distance. Now, this is something similar. You probably noticed this if you ever watch a sunset, and if there are trees or buildings around, to you can see the sun having set below the horizon, but you can still see the sun shining on the tree right behind you perhaps, and you could watch that shadow slowly move up the tree as the sun sets for higher and higher altitudes. Well, here we're going even higher up. We are well above the surface of Earth, so these clouds can see well around the curvature of Earth and still be illuminated even though the sun has set for an observer here on Earth. Now, these type of clouds are often seen at higher latitudes, so we're looking here at Sweden, relatively high latitude, and during their summer months. And during that time, they have very, very short nights where the sun is just a little ways below the horizon. So it's not getting deep below the horizon. In those cases, you would never see this type of cloud. But when it's just below, as we can see here with the hazy red glow of the horizon, then these clouds are able to peer around the curvature of Earth and actually still be being illuminated by the sun, even though the sun has set for the observer on the ground. So that was our picture of the day for July 11th of 2025. It was titled The Veins of Heaven. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.